Welcome wanderers to the stunning Jumeirah Beach, a popular oasis in Dubai with its white sandy shores, crystal clear waters, and vibrant atmosphere. Here, the air buzzes with the thrill of water sports amidst breathtaking scenic beauty. Jumeirah Beach, where the sun meets the sea in a dance of dazzle. Embark on a journey along the coastline. Our walk begins at the edge of Jumeirah Beach, where the cool sea breeze mingles with the rhythmic lullaby of lapping waves. Underfoot, you'll feel the soft, warm sand teasing your toes, adding a tactile dimension to this sensory experience. As we journey, your gaze will be drawn to the mesmerizing sight of the sun as it begins its descent over the distant horizon. A beach walk that touches not just your feet, but also your heart. Experience the charm of beachside attractions. As we stroll along the sandy shores of Jumeirah Beach, the allure of its vibrant beachside attractions is simply irresistible. Picture yourself sipping on freshly brewed coffee in one of the quaint cafes, its aroma mingling with the salty sea breeze. Or perhaps enjoying a leisurely meal at a restaurant, feasting on delicious local cuisine that is as diverse as Dubai itself. A plethora of shops dot the landscape, offering an array of unique souvenirs and trinkets that capture the spirit of this enchanting city. From traditional Arabian handicrafts to modern art pieces, there's something to pique everyone's interest. And let's not forget the friendly locals. Their warm smiles and hospitality add to the unique charm of this beachside haven. Jumeirah Beach is more than just a picturesque seascape. It's a lively, bustling hub, brimming with experiences waiting to be discovered. A place where every corner holds a new surprise. Behold the iconic landmarks that tower over the beach. On one side, the unmistakable silhouette of the Burj Al Arab graces the skyline, a marvel of architectural ingenuity. Its sail-shaped design is more than just a tribute to Dubai's seafaring heritage. It's a beacon of modern innovation, standing tall as a symbol of the city's rise on the world stage. Then cast your gaze towards the Jumeirah Beach Hotel, another testament to the city's architectural prowess. Its wave-like structure is not just a sight to behold, but also a reflection of the seamless blend of the city with its marine surroundings. These landmarks are not just buildings, they are the stories of a city, told in steel and glass. They provide a stunning view from the sandy shores of Jumeirah Beach, framing the azure waters of the Arabian Gulf with their grandeur, where the city's skyline meets the sea, creating a sight to behold. Witness the magical transformation of the beach during sunset. As the sun sinks lower in the sky, the azure blue of the day fades into a canvas of vibrant oranges, purples, and pinks. The day's heat gives way to a soothing coolness that dances on your skin while the soft lapping of the waves becomes a gentle serenade. Reflections shimmer on the water's surface, mirroring the sky's spectacular display. The beach is no longer just sand and sea, it's a masterpiece painted by nature, a spectacle that leaves you breathless. As twilight gives way to evening, the beach comes alive with twinkling lights, adding a touch of magic to the already enchanting atmosphere. A sunset that paints the sky with hues of romance. A walk to remember on the shores of Jumeirah Beach. We embarked on a remarkable journey, soaking in the allure of the pristine beach, the fascinating beachside attractions that captivated our senses. We marveled at the iconic landmarks, each with a tale of its own. The crescendo of the tour was undoubtedly the mesmerizing sunset, painting the sky with hues of a masterpiece. A day beautifully spent, encapsulating the essence of Dubai. Jumeirah Beach, a place where memories are made.